Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. You've received a signed PDF contract, but you notice a typo or a needed update. The problem is that the signature locks the document and most PDF editors won't let you change a single word. So how do you edit a signed PDF? In this video, I'll show you two working methods that handle this situation differently. Let's get started. First, method 1, print to PDF. This is the simplest workaround, but it comes with a major consequence, as it removes the signed validity of the PDF. Open the signed PDF in your browser. Press Ctrl+P or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog. Instead of a physical printer, select Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF as the destination. Click Save. This creates a brand new PDF file that is flattened, meaning the signature lock is gone, and you can now edit the document. The pros of this method are significant for quick fixes. It's free and built-in, no software needed. It works on both Windows and Mac, and it quickly removes the signature lock so you can make changes. However, the cons are equally important to understand. The signature authenticity is permanently removed. You cannot preserve it while editing, and it may flatten forms or annotations, meaning interactive elements might become static. Use this method when you've confirmed it's safe to remove the signature entirely. Method 2, using specialized PDF editors. If you need to make edits while keeping the signature intact, perhaps just fixing a typo or adding a note, a specialized PDF editor can sometimes work around the lock. Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor is a great option for this. The process depends on how the PDF was signed. In many cases, you can open the signed PDF in PDNob and use the edit tool to make minor text changes while leaving the signature visually in place. PDNob also provides powerful features that help with the editing process. It maintains layout and formatting, so your document still looks professional. It supports OCR for scanned signed documents if the signature is on an image-based PDF. It allows easier text editing and corrections than basic tools, and it works offline and securely. Here's an important consideration before you edit any signed PDF: legal and ethical implications. Editing a signed document can invalidate the signature legally. Before you edit, always check if you have permission to modify the document. For internal corrections where signatures are just for approval, editing might be fine. For legal contracts, you should typically get a newly signed version. Use these methods responsibly. To recap, use the print to PDF method when you need to make edits and it's acceptable to completely remove the signature. Use Tenorshare PDNob when you want to make minor edits while preserving the signature visually, but always be aware of the legal context of the document. If this guide helped you handle a tricky signed PDF, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.